Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize sales strategies with Staples step by step clearly. Begin by analyzing your current sales strategies. Look for key performance indicators to assess their effectiveness. Identify areas where your sales processes may be lagging. Research Staples offerings that can enhance your sales toolkit. Explore Staples business services tailored to different industries. Consider their marketing materials that can boost your visibility. Evaluate their office supplies that can improve efficiency. Implement a system for tracking inventory efficiently. Utilize Staples printing services for professional promotional materials. Integrate technology solutions offered by Staples for seamless operations. Schedule regular training sessions to keep your team updated on new offerings. Seek feedback from your sales team about their experiences with Staples products. Analyze customer feedback to better understand market demands. Adjust your sales strategies based on data insights you gather. Use Staples online resources for ongoing education and support. Monitor the results of the changes you implement to ensure continuous improvement. Refine your approach based on performance metrics over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.